What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Chris, that is Alex, and today is an exciting day. Why are you laughing at me?
My name's Chris. I'm pretty sure everybody knows you're Chris.
What if they're new subscribers or new people watching?
Just say, what's up, guys?
Look, he has so much criticism about my intros, yet he hasn't done one yet, has he? So, until he makes his own intro, he should stop criticizing
mine. My name is Chris.
Well, that's it. So,
that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one, eh? Or do you want, what's up, YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes. Welcome back to another video. Let me know which one you guys like better. Comment down below. Here's a quick thing. So, today is the exciting video. We're getting something for the 10th gen Civic SI, and we're completing, I guess not completing, but we're making it way better. So I'm meeting up with someone that actually reached out to me through DMs, and he had a part that I was kind of looking into, that I've been looking into for a little while, and I'm super excited to actually install this part. I think you guys are going to be too. We're going to do a little bit of a vlog of us picking it up. Maybe I'll just need a few shots of the guy, maybe not, who knows, we'll see. He's actually a subscriber, so maybe he wants to be in it as well. I guess we'll see. Let's get it. Hope you guys are excited. I am. Entered Mexico. Kind of felt slow. Maybe we'll change that in this video. I hope so. And actually, I don't know, that it's really hot and humid out. The car didn't actually pull very good, and I was running AC, just turned it off that second. But what we're picking up today may help the cars.
Oh, so is it gonna actually beat my Stalker SX now? Or?
Your Stalker R6?
Is it actually gonna beat my Stalker
It's not
SX
stock.
now?
It's not stock.
There's no K-Pro on it.
That we know of.
There's no K-Pro on it.
So Alex, we should show them a video before we actually install it.
What?
A video of me and you racing. So Alex has got a 2000.
You sure you want to record that?
Yeah. Alex and I. Alex has a 2006 RSX Type S with intake, header, and Type R exhaust, right?
Yeah.
And it weighs what, 2,700 pounds?
I think it's something like that. I don't know.
So regardless, it's one of the better K motors. It makes 210, I think, horsepower. It's a K20Z1, right? Yeah, K20Z1. So all the K20s start mixing it.
Sure if it makes 210.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
It's higher. It makes more power. We know that.
Like that.
So when Alex and I race, it's actually a really tight race until maybe like fourth gear, and I pull a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's pretty surprising because the amount of stuff I have done to this car and what he has done to his, which isn't much, right? All he has is an intake and a header. But I think what really helps is he's lightweight, and he power shifts the shit out of that car like a champ, which I can't do in here. But maybe we'll do a little race video. If you guys are interested, let me know. I think it might be interesting because the cars, this makes more power, but this is heavier.
Yeah. And
he can shift way faster than I can, so that really makes up a difference because he just flat foot shifts the entire time, and yeah, I'm not doing it with this. But after we pick up this part, even with, I should beat him, and if it doesn't, I'm selling the car.
Holy fuck.
No, I'm joking, but it should be interesting.
Oh, yeah, no, that'd be a different story.
Yeah, so I hope you guys are excited. I'm super excited to go pick this up. This was also random, and it fell right into my budget, especially with COVID and what's been going on. I haven't been working as much. Even the YouTube income hasn't been as great. So regardless of all that, it worked out perfectly. And sometimes this happens, and the parts fall into your lap at a perfect time within your budget. So it is used, if you guys haven't clued in by now, but it was barely used. But yeah, hopefully
exciting.
Yeah, and hopefully
install it.
Yeah, we'll do an install video on that as well. It won't be today, obviously, but and then after, I'm probably gonna need a clutch after that, and a proper tube. So we're gonna be making more power in the daily, that's for sure. So I'm giving that away for now. You guys should probably clue in if you know what mods I have done anyway. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Stop at Tim Hortons, grabbing a coffee. It's been a long day of work, Alex and I. So we're gonna grab a cup of Tim's, grab a nice coffee, maybe a donut or so. We're gonna head our way there. This is sick. This is so sick. You guys are gonna love it, I promise you. I think I'm gonna do a few race videos before I install it, even though, I don't know, I might be too excited to install it, but a few race videos before I install it. Then we're gonna do an install video on it, a review probably, and like we'll do a drive and do all that type of stuff too. And we'll see how much power we're pushing. I kind of want to get it on the dyno before and after, but I don't think I'm gonna pay for 2 dyno sessions. And if you hear that amazing music, it's cars around me. And I don't think I'll pay for 2 dyno sessions. So super exciting. I've probably said 100 times. I don't think I've been this excited for a car mod in quite a while. So it just shows you that I keep talking about it and blabbering. What's up, man?
Hey, man,
This is a badass car you got here.
just got Saturday.
Did you? I'm assuming you upgraded that from that?
Yeah, but I missed that car.
Do you really?
Yeah.
You know what? I had a bug eye, a wagon 02, and I really missed that. Oh, that's awesome. All right. So check it out. It's a 27.1 turbo. It's the drop-in turbo. We're super excited. Jonathan hooked it up, and you got the Bass Pro hat going too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. How you liking this so far?
You know, only 200 kilometers on it, but
Very cool.
liking it.
Very, very cool. Jonathan reached out to me, like I was saying, and then he was selling this because he upgraded to an STI or traded in, whatever you want to call it. But this is, especially the color and everything, it was a really, really good choice. I like that a lot. But yeah, I'm excited for that.
He's a smart guy, that's why.
He's a Subaru guy, that's why he's got a 2011 WRX. All right, we just finished talking with Jonathan, and he's got an awesome STI build. He's got a few other parts that I may be interested in as well. I'm super excited to pick up the 27.1 turbo. I hope you guys are. We're finally upgrading the turbo, which means we'll probably have to upgrade the clutch, which means we need a dyno and tune. So we got a lot of exciting
And
videos.
then you're gonna need another car.
No. That's why. So a lot of you are probably wondering why I went with the 27.1 and I didn't go PRL or anything like that. The 27.1 is a perfect amount of power for a daily, and anything I was reading past 320, 350 gets a little hairy. So if I can make like 310 to the wheels on this car, that's way more than enough for a daily for me. And honestly, like 310 in a 3,000 pound shell really moves really nicely as well. And yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't been this excited for an actual mod in a long time. So having the 27.1 turbo is very, very cool. See you later, buddy. Having the 27.1 turbo is super, super cool. And it's actually my first product off them, but obviously I'll probably get the turbo inlet as well, and then we'll do an install video on that as well as soon as they're available. But yeah, we'll see you guys back at the house. Are you guys excited, Alex? We got a turbo to install, buddy.
Very excited,
Luckily, it's a
yes.
drop-in turbo, so it's not too hard, and we can do it. What's wrong?
No, it should be fun.
Yeah, it'll be okay. We've taken off the downpipe already, so
Install a supercharger, buddy. For this is
yeah, this is nothing. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next clip. This is sick. I am so hyped for it. As you guys saw, this is so cool. Wasn't expecting it, but I told you guys things are gonna happen with the 10th gen. You guys didn't believe me, some of you guys did, and things are happening with it. My focus is obviously divided between both the cars, but I've always wanted the drop-in turbo, so there's a good chance to grab it, and we got it. Like I said, we're gonna do quite a few different types of videos. We'll probably do a few race videos of the car stock. At least I'm gonna try to get some races set up with it stock, and then we'll put the turbo in, and then we'll get races with the turbo and hopefully clutch and all that installed as well. This is so sick.
The vlog?
Yeah, I'm doing a vlog right now.
Lucky if this wasn't a neighborhood, your vlog would have caught a nice one. A nice one-wheel peel.
All right, guys, I hope you're as excited as I am. It is a super badass mod. Let me know what you guys think down below and what power you think. If I made a good decision, a bad decision, but just make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Make sure you do it once, do it right. Peace out. Later.